dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to my wonderful channel Reality Latest Gist. As they're giving a back-to-back updates and information as they're hot. So if today now your first time to join our wonderful channel, I beg may you like, subscribe and share, but don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. The headlines: following allegation by the outgoing governor of Edo State, Mr. Obaseki, that he has not been invited to the forthcoming inauguration of Senator Mondo Obolo as governor of Edo State. The incoming governor on Sunday declared that Governor Obaseki has been missing since last Friday and now incommunicado. My people don't be small big girl. Moving on after this, we have Governor Obaseki said he's leaving Edo State more secure than he met it. But guys, before we proceed, I'd like to welcome our returning subscribers and viewers. Thank you all so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, let's proceed to the main gist. Following allegation by the outgoing governor of Edo State, Mr. Obaseki, that he has not been invited to the forthcoming inauguration of Senator Mondo Obolo as governor of Edo State, the incoming governor on Sunday declared that Governor Obaseki has been missing since last Friday and now incommunicado. So in a statement that was made available to journalists on Sunday, and it was signed by God's Power Inegbe, Mondo Obolo said that Edo people are worried by Obaseki's recent reckless utterances, and he urged him to evaluate his state of mind. The governor let in his statement raise the alarm regarding the whereabouts of Obaseki, who on Friday reportedly flew Benin City, the Edo State capital, using an unmarked bus. Hey, by people, you don't set. The statement revealed that Obaseki chased out everyone from the government house on Friday before escaping to a yet-to-be-known location, more than 72 hours before his official departure from the office. Pipo Mondo Obolo talks as on Friday, 8th November, that the whereabouts of Governor Obaseki is unknown, that he has chased everyone out of Edo State government house, he has abandoned governance in Edo State, and he is on the run. That he has escaped through the road out of Benin City. He did not pass through the airport. Obolo say if Governor Obaseki is as popular as he claimed, he say why he be say he no use airport to escape. That instead he hired a bus and disguised while escaping from Edo State. That Obaseki is trying to push out this narrative in order to distract the public that his antics will not work, that they know his plan, and they will continue to expose Governor Obaseki's ploy to Edo people. My people, you don't set. If you guys can remember, Obaseki on Saturday claimed that Senator Mondo Obolo did not invite him to his inauguration, slated for next Tuesday. He also claimed without proof that the governor has a stolen mandate. But an angry Obolo said Obaseki needs serious and urgent attention. Mondo Obolo saying that they talk and Ssing win this election, say Obaseki has employed every means to frustrate a peaceful transfer of power. The governor noted that Obaseki has not extended any invitation to him for a meeting or a tour of the government house. But again, Obaseki also claimed that him, Mondo Obolo, did not invite him to the inauguration slated for next Tuesday, that this is laughable, absurd and questionable. Mondo Obolo says since they declare a winner of the 21st September governorship poll in Edo State, Governor Obaseki has employed every means to frustrate a peaceful transfer of power. Obolo say, as a sitting governor, say make Obaseki tell Edo people and Nigeria if he has ever invited him to government house for a meeting or a tour as a responsible man. Obolo didn't end there. He went ahead to tell Obaseki, say make him tell Edo people whether he don't call up to congratulate him since he win this election. Senator Mondo Obolo talks, according to the unpopular outgoing governor, that him, Senator Mondo Obolo, stole the mandate freely given to him by Edo people, that in Governor Obaseki's usual myopic mind, that he wants to change the narrative and set a dangerous presidency. So the governor said he won the election convincingly, and the tribunal will soon validate his claim. He said Obaseki would not get away with the reckless claim because he know for sure say he won the 21st September governorship poll in Edo State. He said Obaseki is still licking his wound of defeat, and he's here to accept the reality that Edo people through the ballot rejected the planned continuation of Obaseki's satanic government through his glorified stooge, Asui that Obaseki is trying to influence the outcome of the ongoing case at the tribunal by making false claims. He said the attempt will fail like a pack of cards. According to Mondo Obolo, he said the People Democratic Party is already challenging the outcome of the election in court. They are therefore worried that Obaseki is in a hurry to preempt the outcome of the tribunal by repeatedly making false claims. But unfortunately for Obaseki, that his basic claim will not stand, that the People Democratic Party and their candidate Ihodalo have no case against him, that the tribunal will soon confirm that. So he's warning Obaseki to desist from making false claims, and he wants to remind Obaseki of severe consequences that will follow if he does not stop. Though him, Senator Mondobolo, is a man of peace, and he will not sit back and allow Governor Godwin Obaseki to keep misrepresenting the true outcome of what happened on the 21st of September. The Obaseki will soon lose his immunity, and if he continues to make his baseless claims, that he will face the full wrath of the law very soon, and he will prove his unfounded allegation when he is dragged to court. So he urged Edo people to disregard Obaseki's reckless statement and support the incoming administration to remedy the many wrongs of Governor Godwin Obaseki. My people don't be small while out. So my people are going to like me, tell me what you think about this matter in our comment section, because this matter can get us a B. Let's make the comment live in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next one. The Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki said his government prioritized security to transform the state into one Nigeria's safest state to live and do business. Obaseki spoke at the last State Security Council meeting by his administration, and he commended the people and the various security agencies for supporting and collaborating with his government in tackling insecurity and ensuring the safety and security of people and properties. Governor Godwin Obaseki also charged the incoming governor to prioritize the security of residents over politics, link the improve of security to investment flow, economic growth, and internal generated revenue, among others. So, addressing the security chief at the ESCO chamber in Government House, the governor called for the participation of all stakeholders in fixing the nation, noting that no one can fix Nigeria but them. The spirit of collaboration has helped them solve many problems in the area of security. So, Governor Godwin Obaseki said he wants to commend the Department of State Security as they were open and ready to give them information always by adopting technology, and they are able to cover the state and make it safe for their people. So using technology, they have been able to document every incident in Edo State and review the same, and work together to provide responses to the security situation in Edo State. On the part of the civil defense, Governor Godwin Obaseki said they have been a great collaborator in terms of improving security in Edo State, and by extension, the protection of federal assets in Edo State. As a state, say they have the capacity to tackle security challenges head on, as their collaboration has yielded positive results. So right now, Governor Godwin Obaseki said he's leaving Edo State much better, security-wise, than when he met it. So his advice to the incoming administration is to take security seriously and never prioritize politics over security, because there will be problems as citizens need to demand a secure environment. So he have shown that it is possible because he has men and women who have the capacity and training to offer security service to the Edo State and to the people of Edo State as well. So his success is due to the collaboration and support he received from them, the development and growth in the domestic environment, as well as the interest of investors into Edo State. So it's because of the secure environment they have in Edo State. That is why people came into Edo State to invest. So they have changed the narrative and the perception about security in Edo State. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in our comment section. We'd love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next. Bye for now.